Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 2.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The Group of Seven, representing some of the world's leading economies, is still figuring out how to execute a plan agreed on in September to pay only cut-rate prices for Russian oil, and the December the 5th deadline to marshal participants is fast approaching. The turmoil in the UK rocked global markets last week as Liz Truss's government signalled that it's sticking with a plan for tax cuts, sending the pound to a record low and prompting the Bank of England to intervene. Friday's US jobs report is projected to show a labour market at cruising speed in September, with more moderate but still healthy payrolls growth that's likely to keep the Federal Reserve pumping hard on the monetary policy brakes.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0 hours GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 2130 GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 0700 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.